What are you going to buy now? How much food? Put this one in there. Try.
Huh?
Oh. Slowly. You put slowly, huh? Slowly. Oh, let's go now. Push that. This side. Be careful. We go for the juices. Now, where's juice? Your juice. Over there. Come on. Push it. Slowly. Yeah, juice there. Oh, you have juice. Go. Get the juice. Where's your juice? No, here. Here. Hey. No, this one down. You see? Not that one. Go. Give to mommy. Slowly. Not that one. Mommy doesn't like that. Not that one. Here. Put now in basket. Slowly. Show to mommy. What you will say? And put it inside there. Put there.